Hello students, this is Mrs. Miller, and the purpose of this video is to explain what you're going to have to do in the language arts, part of the language arts session of the I-STEP test in March. Now for session 3, you're going to have to read one story that's a few pages long, and then there may be another smaller passage there. And you're going to have to answer 3 constructed response questions, or 3 open-ended questions. After that, you're going to have to read a writing prompt and address that writing prompt with an essay. And you'll have about 55 minutes to do that, okay? So over the next several weeks, we're going to be working on reading a passage, taking time to annotate the text, and then responding to the constructed response questions. Mrs. Stanley is going to continue working with you on how to address the prompt and respond to the prompt, okay? So I want to show you, this is the spring test from 2012. There are the directions, and then here is the first passage. It says Blind and Ambition, and it's a few pages long, and then it goes right into a very short passage that is related to, it's about the same topic. So this one was disabled people who are able to accomplish great tasks, okay? Then if I scroll down, I see one constructed response question, and here's the second one, and here's the third one. I also want to talk to you about the way that these are scored. Each of these questions are worth 2 points, okay? So what you would have to do is you're going to have to make sure that you restate the question, answer the question, use details from the text to support your answer, and then write a concluding sentence. That's what we're going to be spending a lot of time doing over the next several weeks, okay? I also want to show you, here's the writing prompt that you would have had to respond to if you were a 6th grader in 2012. Here's the writing activity. This is what you have to do, and then you have time to plan your writing, and then you have time to write your essay. Okay? We'll also be practicing doing this over the next several weeks. For this particular lesson that we're going to do, I'm going to read in another video segment, I'm going to read this story with you. I'm going to annotate the text, and then I'm going to show you the correct way to respond to the constructed response questions. You'll be working with me, and then you're going to be able to practice the skill on your own, so that by time March comes around, you won't have any problem with doing this in a very short amount of time.